Occupational therapy is one of the most misunderstood healthcare fields. And no, it's not about helping people find jobs. Occupational therapy helps people of all ages across multiple populations do what's most important to them in their everyday lives. That can look like tying shoes, returning to work, or just getting through the day with more ease. We call these everyday tasks that people do occupations, hence occupational therapy. Occupations are anything that gives your day structure and meaning. It can look like self-care, work, learning, leisure, almost anything. OTs work across multiple different settings, and they can work with people who are recovering from an injury, learning to manage a disability, or just building better skills for their everyday lives. OT is really cool because you don't just treat the diagnosis, and you also don't even have to have a diagnosis to receive OT, but essentially it just treats the person as a whole. It looks at several different aspects, such as emotional, physical, cognitive, to help people be supported in their life and thrive. OTs adapt tasks, teach strategies, and build overall independence and confidence. Some examples of OT might look like a child who needs more help being regulated in the classroom so they can best attain attention and learn their content. It can also look like helping an adult who suffered an injury return to driving so that they can continue going to work, going to school, and doing these everyday tasks that they need to do. We can also help teach joint protection strategies after surgery. In reality, it all just depends on our client or patient's goals. OT is this broad, huge amount of content, but to encompass all of it, it essentially is if there's something that someone is struggling with in their everyday life that brings them meaning and desire, then OT can basically help. OT is client-centered, it's holistic, and it's constantly evolving. It also meets people directly where they are, whether that's home life, work life, school life. It just meets them there. This channel is all about educating, supporting, and simplifying occupational therapy. You can follow for weekly videos and daily OT tips.